Do you sweat when you are extremely worried? Does your blood pressure rocket high when you face threats at your workplace? These physical changes at the time of mental anxiety is very common phenomena and has a deep underlying scientific reason behind it. To control anxiety or anger, some people start acting immediately. For example, start punching on a boxing bag or clenching fists. Some people do not act. They try to run away from the situation or even taking some extreme steps to run away from the threat. Fight or flight. Humans from a very ancient age have a primitive brain called amygdala. That area of brain sends the fight or flight response. As they used to live in jungle with wild animals, humans were in need to have a brain to sense emergency and fear to save their lives. They require to act instantly instead of any other rational behavior. In fact, all mammals have that part of brain called amygdala to respond against the life-threatening danger. Amygdala resides on our midbrain behind hippocampus. In this modern age, we do not face life-threatening emergency quite often, fingers crossed. But our brain conditionally perceives worry or conflict as threat. For example, job loss or being cheated considered as life-threatening, and it activates amygdala and stops the communication with our analytical brain, that is prefrontal cortex. Let us see how amygdala responded differently for different people. During COVID, a man from Pune committed suicide after his job loss. Though he is from a well-to-do family and had a good educational background, but he chose to quit. And people who are able to establish communication between amygdala and prefrontal cortex made the news different. At the same location in Pune, a person turned into an entrepreneur. But surprisingly, he had more family pressure and less educational qualification. But the good news is that we can make our prefrontal cortex strong enough so that amygdala hijacking never happens. I read different articles which I have mentioned in the description box. From there I came to know that being present and practice focus on something every day which is relaxing, strengthen prefrontal cortex, that is your analytical brain. Meditation is the best way. However, if you are not practicing meditation regularly, it may seem difficult for you. We have one brain. If we train that to focus on every simple activity, we shall be able to concentrate on anything. As Swami Vivekananda said, that if the mind acquires concentration on one object, it can be so concentrated on any object whatsoever. Observing nature is the best way to start with. Nothing can be more relaxing than this. The second option is try to focus on your breath. Breath is your constant companion. Use it as a tool to focus your attention anywhere, anytime. The third idea is you may focus on the activity of your family members and enjoy. Whatever it may be, you just need to concentrate and enjoy every moment of your life. That is how you can overcome your anxiety, your worry. Hi, I am Smita. Hope this content will help you overcome your anxiety and worry. If you like this content, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.